Does your Realme phone stop at this screen that says DEM verify corruption? It looks scary, like the phone is dead. This message shows when the system gets confused after a bad update or small file error. The phone is fine, but it refuses to boot. Okay, here is the simple trick. Look at the error screen. Now, press the power button 3 times quickly. Tap, tap, tap. Do not hold it. Wait a second. If nothing changes, do the same thing again. 3 quick taps. You should see the Realme logo appear, and then the phone will start normally. When it boots, unlock the phone and you're done. No more DEM verify corruption message. As you can see, my phone is back on the home screen. Everything works. If you still get the error after all that, you may need a full software reinstall at the service center. But in most cases, the triple tap fix works. That's it, quick, simple, and free. If this saved your phone, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who has a Realme device stuck on the DEM verify corruption screen. See you in the next one.